are unique in what we do here. I've never seen anything like this before.
People come to us with challenges and problems where typically they don't know how it's going to be done.
Here within Autodesk Technology Centre in Birmingham, we make the impossible happen. We work with real organisations around the world who have these manufacturing challenges today. They need to get parts produced. They need to take advantage of new manufacturing technology.
We're working with a huge spectrum of customers in all kinds of different fields. It's a very dynamic problem-solving environment. Some of the coolest things we've done we aren't allowed to talk about. Some of the most impressive customers we're not allowed to name.
We might have an automotive customer who's maybe got an urgent project that they're working on. We get involved with a huge variety of aerospace projects and activities where organisations are developing new manufacturing processes.
We have got AS 9100 accreditation, which is a quality assurance for aerospace. So again, we are serious about manufacturing here.
We have 5-axis machine tools, mill turn centres, we have robotic solutions, we have machines which can do high-rate deposition for additive manufacturing. We even have hardware platforms which enable us to combine additive and subtractive on a single device. We work with customers who have challenging problems to help them develop the new manufacturing processes to enable those organisations to make anything.
I'm proud to have been a part of the redevelopment of this facility over the last 12 months. Autodesk has invested heavily in this facility, which I think reinforces their commitment to manufacturing. The future's looking good.